Hey guys, it's me, Ella Gamer here for another video. If you hear things in the background, that's totally not me. Now today I will be teaching you how to make slime. And this is going to be fluffy slime. This is my second video. We didn't get food coloring. So I think we're just going to make it white, simple. So it's going to be like marshmallows, which is going to be pretty cool. You can squish it. So first what you're going to need is glue. So I'm just going to pour it into this bowl. If you guys can come in a little closer. So this is a gallon of glue, Elmer's glue, school glue. I would recommend getting this. This is like 18 and the clear is like
20?
20. So the clear is worth it, totally worth it if you want to make like really cool slime. But I'm just gonna go ahead with the normal plain Elmer's glue.
And you can always add coloring at the end.
Yeah. Well, coloring at the end doesn't make it as good because
Yeah.
you just wash it out. So now I'm just gonna set in some glue. I think that's about good. Oh, I'm just gonna stop up. So guys, this fork is my jig. Now for this, I'm gonna want my stick. Because today I did make slime, but I did not video it. Also guys, I will be uploading a lot more Fortnite videos because, I don't know why, because Fortnite's really good. Ooh, that smells good. Ish. Okay, this is moisturizing shaving gel. You can use shaving cream or shaving gel and then to make a fluffy slime. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. Is this new or something? Do I have to push harder?
She might get a baby pink.
Yeah. You know what? I'm actually, if this turns pink, then that's good. Oh. Let's just fill this up. Okay, so there. That is a lot. So if it were shaving cream, then it would be, you wouldn't need as much. Now, for shaving gel, you're gonna have a little bit less because it's not as puffy and like
Fluffy.
fluffy. Yeah. So now after you do that, you're just gonna start stirring it to get your consistency. I sound like a professional. Now it actually might turn bubblegum pink, so I might call this slime bubblegum-ish, pinkish. I don't know. Bubblegum pink. It's not really turning into a pinkish color. But you're just gonna do this and
It looks like marshmallow fluff.
it does look like marshmallow fluff, just pink. So I'm just trying to think of the color here. Or think of the name. So this is not all you need for your slime. You're gonna need that. So you can use laundry detergent,
Contact solution with baking soda.
Tide, laundry detergent, borax, a lot of other things you see. So what this should be turning out is like, when I do this, it should be like this kind of part. So I just want to get that consistency, and I think it's starting to. This is like a bubblegum pink, I actually think. Okay. Now, Now, as I said, you can use any kind of thing that I listed. So go back and listen to what I said. Now I'm just gonna stir this with my finger because I have nothing else to do. Now you don't need to really stir this well. I mean, you can. You should. Okay. Just gonna. Now, once I got this all like this, this is borax. So you want to get warm water with borax, and you're just gonna slowly pour. Oh shoot! I accidentally spilled. Let's see if it's gonna turn. So you're just gonna want to slowly do it at a time, because I want it to be stretchy. Oh, it's already coming. Wow, that was fast. Jeez.
And if your slime isn't stretchy, add lotion.
Lotion is the key thing. So I'm gonna call this bubble gum. You know, cause it swirls like bubble gum. I mean, it's like chewed bubble gum. But so if you have a lot of glue, it's gonna take some of your strength to do this. Nice consistency. Okay. Now, it should turn out like when it's all clumped up in the middle and when there's nothing really on the sides. I mean, it can be on the sides, but that's what it should normally look like. So it should be looking something like this with, here, let me go around. You see those little things? That means it's like
Strings?
Strings, yeah. It's turning into good slime. See, oh, I just thought of the best thing. Cotton candy. Yes, yes. Yes. I'm calling this cotton candy. Cotton candy slime. So this can take a while. Now, I'm not going to use a lot of borax because I don't want it to be nice. I don't want it to be stiff like other slimes. You're just going to want to have patience here in this. Well, it's not as stretchy, but it's pretty stretchy.
Considering it's shaving gel.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it smells like really nice. And now, should I get my hands dirty yet? On that, I think I should do this one. See, like, so you see this? That side, it got clear because the slime is sticking to that. And if the slime goes back, it gets itself. And so if you go on this side, it gets some. Probably should have not got a fork, but oh, I got a little piece here. I'm just gonna stick you back in there. Oh, wrong side. Now I'm just gonna get the sides. I'm gonna try to peel it off. Now, guys, if yours is not like this and it's all watery, then you're gonna want to add more like borax and some gel, I think.
But you can't just add a lot of borax because it won't be nice to play with. You can't add a lot of borax.
Yeah, because it'll be nice. It will be rough, and if it's that rough, then you won't be able to poke it like this.
I've made really fluffy slime. Oh, and one thing to warn you, never add too much shaving cream because I've done that before and it ruined it.
Yeah.
It ruins it, I swear.
You know, the first time I did this, I was like, wow, I have never made a slime so well. And if you guys are just starters, then I would recommend doing this. This is what your slime's going to turn out.
She's going to do a slime swirl. later.
That was not the best swirl, sorry. Ugh. This is a long video, but I don't really care. Okay, it's okay. So guys, just watch the satisfyingness. So you see how the bowl cleared out a little bit?
She's gonna poke it now, maybe. Just a little sticky. Add more activator.
A little bit sticky.
Just a little. Good.
I think that was a little bit too little, but that is good enough. And
Use your hands now, seriously.
yeah, so I'm gonna be using my. So once it's off the sides and you got most of the sides, it's time to get dirty. When your thing stops to be sticky, that means you want to use your hands. Now I'm just gonna roll out my sleeve. I have a band-aid on because I cut myself. Minions. The slit. Yeah. Okay, guys. But before I poke this, let's see if you can subscribe in 5 seconds. And while you're subscribing, make sure to turn the post notifications on, and comment slime, cotton candy slime. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, comment down Slime Squad. Okay, here we go. It's still a little bit sticky, but I think the more I knead it, this part is sticky. I'm gonna do a little bit. Okay, that was a little bit too much, possibly. Now I'm just gonna do this again because that was a little bit sticky. Okay, now
She's gonna play with it.
Now I'm gonna take it. No, I can't take it out of the bowl because it's ground. But guys, look at this. It's hard with a band-aid, I'm sorry.
Probably.
It actually looks like cotton candy.
You can add scents to it, by the way.
I know, yeah, you can. Okay, here we go. Let's get it nice. Boop. So guys, if your slime turned out really good,
You should comment that.
comment or make a video of you on your YouTube channel making this. And you don't have to show your face. You don't have to do this. So guys, look how big this is. Oh, it's like okay, that's a little bit extra glue. Guys, it's still sticky, but I still really like it. So guys, this is fluffy slime. It is very, very, the texture is amazing, guys. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you made it. So good luck if you're just gonna make it right now. I'm probably gonna put some on Borax in this. So guys, peace.